Simple $50 per hour, AI side hustle for beginners. 2025. Make extra money with your spare time. Many people thought that when AI first broke out on the internet, it would render humans obsolete due to its speedy and efficient task completion. However, several enthusiasts have pointed out that AI is there to support us and make our work easier, not to take away from us. No coding skill, degree, or training, not a problem. With this beginner-friendly side hustle, you will earn $50 per hour by 2025. If you are seeing this video, consider yourself lucky. So, let's delve in. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is the first AI side hustle you can try out in 2025. Talented writers have a chance to boost their income because a lot of firms are currently trying to grow their market share with captivating copy. It all boils down to balancing when it comes to employing AI for freelance writing. Businesses do not want material that is solely produced by AI, but intelligent tools can be a wonderful way to develop ideas or proofread content to ensure it is well-written and spell-checked. Freelancing is not a new concept. People regularly join numerous well-known websites to earn extra money. Furthermore, even while it might seem like you require prior experience to take advantage of these freelance chances, developments in AI technology have created new avenues for opportunity. These AI tools allow people to work on a variety of projects without being seen as deficient in certain areas of expertise and to still make a steady income. Through the use of tools such as Copy.ai, Jasper, and ChatGPT, anyone may quickly become an expert copy content writer. Additionally, anyone can serve as an editor and proofreader with the use of programs like Quillbot and Surfer SEO. A designer can emerge from the blues with the means to demonstrate their abilities and inventiveness thanks to websites like Canva and Midjourney. In a similar vein, Speechify and Voice.ai give people the resources they need to become in-demand voice actors. These are but a handful of the many occupations that can be enabled by AI. The secret is to create engaging proposals for available positions and clients that show you understand their demands and how you can use these potent AI capabilities to meet those needs. Try it out and look into freelance websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Digital product development. In 2025, see the introduction of digital product development as another side gig. This might be in the form of business guidelines, ebooks, or online courses that teach potential clients how to grow their company. You'll have success building a nice revenue stream if you can produce content that consumers want to purchase and are prepared to pay for. Making digital products has grown to be a profitable side gig in the AI era. AI technology can be used to create a variety of digital products that can be sold. AI tools can be used to create digital products such as ebooks, audiobooks, blog entries, graphics, and videos. You can rapidly and effectively produce high-quality digital items if you use the proper approach. With this side business, you can sell your goods to customers all over the world by accessing different internet marketplaces. Although technical expertise is not always necessary, inventiveness and a grasp of the target market are crucial. The initial outlay is little and primarily goes towards paying for marketing and AI tool costs. You should initially anticipate making a few $100s a month, but as you advance in experience and have a devoted clientele, your monthly earnings may approach thousands of dollars. You will soon reach your target of $50 per hour with this. Finding a niche or subject you are enthusiastic about and investigating market demand are good places to start. After that, acquaint yourself with AI technologies and try your hand at producing various kinds of digital goods. The following websites and tools for AI can assist you in getting started: Claude, Artbreeder, Descript, Jasper, ChatGPT. Start YouTube channel. Launch an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. It may seem unbelievable, but even complete novices may launch a profitable YouTube channel without any prior expertise, technological know-how, or ability to edit videos. Although it may seem too good to be true, it is both conceivable and a reality. I'm sure you'll recognize this opportunity's potential as soon as you learn about it and see the supporting documentation. YouTube has become a forum where everyone can contribute their thoughts and talents, even without displaying their face. An original technique to get into this digital world is to launch a faceless YouTube channel. This is the ideal side gig for you if you feel uncomfortable having your face seen on television. Any ability can earn you money on YouTube, but these three are necessary. ChatGPT helps in writing content. Pictory AI is a tool for creating videos from text. YouTube, yes, YouTube itself aids in locating popular subjects. Here are 5 further AI tools to enhance your faceless YouTube channel: Exels, Synthesia, Descript, and Audacity. Artificial intelligence, AI, can help with voiceover narration, video editing, and content development, all of which can be done more effectively and professionally. Through regular production of excellent content and interaction with your viewers, you can develop a devoted fan base and earn money from your channel in several ways. Profits may begin modest, but may increase as more people watch and subscribe to your channel. Depending on your channel's niche and audience engagement, you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month or more with the correct content strategy and hard work after a year or more. To have money growing in your account every minute and hour by 2025, start by selecting the niche for your channel and organizing your content strategy now. Posting images on websites. The next side business that can help you earn $50 or even more every hour, and while you are sleeping, is putting your graphics on high-traffic image-sharing sites like Imgur, Listverse, Etsy.com, Pinterest, Mewe.com, and more. On these websites, you can promote captivating and intriguing stuff because the audience frequently visits websites like this one just to look over amusing photos. Begin by uploading a captivating picture. You may easily get a lot of clicks by posting several graphics each day. Just a tiny fraction of the traffic hitting your link implies simple earnings for you. Start blogging. For many people, blogging has become a popular side gig that lets them share their skills and experiences while making money. It also enables you to create a community and connect with people who share your interests. You can monetize your blog by beginning one and posting content on subjects you are passionate about through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and advertising. AI can streamline the process by helping with optimization, promotion, and even content creation. Blogging can be financially rewarding, but it frequently depends on sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and ad money. However, you can generate a full-time income. You can even make more than $50 per hour when you compute your money if your audience expands and you use more monetization tactics. Selecting a niche, setting up a blogging platform, and producing excellent material are the first steps in starting a blog. Artificial intelligence, AI, solutions can help with promotion, SEO, and content development. The top AI-powered blogging tools are as follows: WordPress, Google Data, Grammarly, and BuzzSumo. Start today and you'll be able to fully forget poverty by 2025. Develop and sell chatbots. The popularity of chatbots is growing, and as AI advances, creating and marketing chatbots has become one of the most promising side hustles in the field. By 2025, you can use AI to build intelligent assistants and begin generating revenue from chatbots. AI technologies like machine learning and natural language processing can be used to create chatbots for a variety of industries, including customer service, e-commerce, healthcare, and more. However, these chatbots can improve user experiences, automate processes, and respond instantly. Businesses and organizations can benefit from your chatbot services if you properly market and reach out to them. Although knowing how to code is useful, there are many low- and no-code chatbot platforms accessible these days. Depending on the chatbot's complexity and the tools you use, the initial investment may vary, but it may also be minimal. Chatbot developers can earn a nice side income, especially as their experience improves. Chatbot developers can earn between $50 and $100 per hour, according to Glassdoor. This side gig may easily earn several $1,000s yearly with a little perseverance. Although there is a learning curve, getting started doesn't require a significant time investment. Before you begin developing your first chatbot prototype, you need to become familiar with chatbot creation platforms. The following AI resources can be useful to you: Microsoft Bot, Framework, Chatfuel, BotPress, Botsify, and Dialogflow. Social media management. Every company or client understands the value of building a strong social media presence in the modern digital landscape. It is now critical for them to reach and interact with a larger audience on the internet. Interestingly, as long as you can efficiently expand your internet presence, it doesn't matter how much experience you have. Here's where using AI becomes useful. You may plan posts, come up with ideas for new content, and even automate the publishing process by using a social media scheduler. These features improve the effectiveness and worth of your services to customers. Popular sites like Hootsuite, Later, Replay, Flick, and TweetHunter provide a wide array of tools that can easily improve your account and increase your presence on Twitter. Beyond Twitter, there are additional social media sites that provide comparable resources and chances. By investigating the opportunities on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other platforms, you may leverage their AI-powered features to enhance your proficiency in social media management. Gaining an understanding of the distinct characteristics and algorithms of every platform will enable you to maximize your clients' visibility and produce superior outcomes. Are you prepared to embrace the nature of employment in the future and use artificial intelligence to launch a lucrative side business? Whether you want to start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a freelance business on Fiverr or another site, AI can be a great help. Are you prepared to design your route to financial independence? Let's discuss this in the comments. To view more videos on this channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.